Hi friends, welcome to our channel Travel Junkie. Today we'll be taking you to the tour of famous experimental township named Auroville. Auroville is famous spiritual place. This township was built with the sole motive of human unity. We are about to reach Auroville and now we are parking our vehicle. This place has huge amount of parking space available and the parking charges is 50 rupees for a car while rupees 20 for an auto. Auroville is famous for Matrimandir, which is situated in the middle of Auroville town. Matrimandir is a round structure which is built for meditating. And in order to do meditation inside the Matrimandir, one has to do pre-booking at least a day before. But all visitors are allowed to view Matrimandir from outside. Now we are heading towards the visitor center. We need to wait a bit to reach the visitor center. So, in the meantime, we will share some facts about this place. Auroville was founded by Mirra Alfassa, famously known as the Mother, in 1968. The purpose of building this town was to be the universal town where men and women of all countries will be able to live in peace and harmony, irrespective of caste, creed, politics, and nationalities. It is spread across 20 square kilometers and was built to accommodate 50,000 residents. As of now, residents are here were about 2,500 from 54 countries. Now, we are entering the visitor center. At first, you can see the information center. Here we can see pictorial representations of various stages of building this place or well, and information about values and principles followed in this place. Audio guide devices are also provided for detailed information. You can get the brochures, leaflets, books, and videos on Auroville in different languages. Regular video show called Introduction to Auroville and Introduction to Matrimandir in video forms are also done here in English or Tamil language, with the possibility of other languages also. Now we are at cafe and boutique area. Here residents of Auroville sell their handicrafts and various items. You can also have some snacks and beverages here before proceeding to Matre Mandir. Free water drinking facility is also there. It is a nice spot to relax and enjoy the view. You can hire bicycles also from here. From here, we need to walk around 1 kilometer to reach the Matre Mandir viewing center. Shuttles are also provided to reach there. But if you can walk, then we would recommend you to walk, as you will get to see the nice trees, plants, birds. Friends, Pondicherry is a bit humid place, so you might sweat a lot while walking. Do carry a water bottle with you. We have decided to walk and enjoy nature. The walk area is really very nice. And yeah, as we are here in afternoon time, I can feel the heat and sweating at regular intervals. Shades are also provided for walking, which will give us some comfort in this scorching heat. Friends, Auroville aims at becoming a model of the city of the future or the city of the earth needs, where people can live in harmony. It is surrounded by green belt consisting of forest areas, farms and sanctuaries with scattered settlements for those involved in green work. Auroville is basically divided in six parts, namely industrial zone, where green industries are located for self-supporting township. It houses small and medium scale industries, training centers, arts and crafts and cities administration. Secondly, residential zone. for a sighting purpose. It is more than half covered with greenery and to maintain ecosystem balance. International zone. It has national and cultural pavilions for various countries. Cultural zone. It is a site for education and artistic expression. Facilities for cultural, educational, and art and sports are also provided. Green belt. It is a zone for organic farms, dairies, orchids, forests, and wildlife areas. And most important, peace area. It is the house of Matrimandir and its gardens. We have finally reached the Matrimandir viewing point. It looks beautiful and the golden color is radiating in sunlight. It is so peaceful here and I'm going to sit here and enjoy the view. So goodbye friends for now. Till we meet in the next video. Goodbye. But don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Share your comments also friends. It will help us to improve. Bye bye.